Hey Matt. Thanks for meeting with me. Like I said in my email, I'm a realtor looking for a new way to advertise myself and my listings. How can Laurel Tree Productions help?
His is simple, Frank. Laurel Tree can help you create what we call a video business card, where we sit you down and have you talk about yourself, what makes you special, and the right agent for an owner or buyer. Or maybe get a few past clients that you've helped, give a video testimonial.
That sounds great. Now what about the listing? I'm tired of the virtual tours and slideshows. The boring 360 shots and cheesy music aren't cutting it anymore.
Yes. We try to make a more entertaining video, and we succeed. I, as a filmmaker, try to find the story in everything. I believe each house has a story, and, if it doesn't, I'll make one up. Our videos include introductions and conclusions by realtors giving a brief description of the home before we show it on camera. Then, if they are willing, we have the current owners talk about their house, the features they like, maybe a great story that happened while they lived there, the stuff that makes a home unique. We'll also show the neighborhood and community surrounding it, so people know where they're moving. It ends up being more of a movie trailer than a listing video. Then we post it everywhere. YouTube, Vidler, Vimeo, our MLS, your website, my website. We get it out there to a larger audience.
That sounds great. Sounds expensive though. Could you give me some prices?
Actually, it's pretty affordable. I can't give you set prices. It's all bid work. It depends on the size of the house, and what you want in the video, and the length of the video. All my clients find my prices to be great and worth it.
Awesome. Well, I think I'm sold, especially on the video business card. That will be great for me to send out to potential clients and post to my website and emails. Let me think about what I want in the video and come up with a script. Can you help with the script or send me some examples? Also, what is your turnaround time for a video?
Yes, of course. You can see samples of my work on either my Facebook fan page or at my website www.laureltreeproductions.com. Take a look at those, come up with an idea of what you want in your video, and I'll help you come up with a Giriat script. We'll film it, and I should have it edited for you in a week's time.
Great. Thanks, Matt. You've been a great and will continue to be a great help. I look forward to working with you.
Thank you, Frank. You have a great day.